Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Bioshock. Last left off, this lady with the baby cradle. What the hell is wrong with me? I can't even think today. Had a pistol in it. It's mine now, and I'm going to kill things with her baby. That didn't come out weird at all. Anyway, let's get back into the action of this horribly evil, messed up game. Alright. See, I'm going to be a little conservative with my ammo. I hope you guys don't mind. As much as I want to go guns blazing, this is the hardest difficulty, and I can't respawn, so I'm gonna be a little cautious.
What I want. It's my Adam. I earned it.
Oh yeah? Oh, hello.
Open the damn door!
There's like so many things going on. What did she say? What? Okay, if I remember something about her not looking pretty or something like that. I can't remember, it's been a while. And we got ourselves recording. Let's hear it.
Hey Brenda, you care to tell me why you've been the size of Plymouth Rock coming out of your crapper going about 3 weeks now? Nah, I ain't saying Shakespeare. I'm trying to run a respectable theater. I got working folk coming in from Port Neptune trying to catch a little diversion. And all I can think about is the stink coming out of your shitter. Get it fixed.
It's so gross. Oh, you're the one chatting it up. Hey, what's up?
Get me, my Adam! Come
Shut up.
on, back here, scrub!
Oh! What? Wow, that was terrible on my part. I apologize. No, so $1. $1. Charlie, shut up! Alright. Oh! Whoa! Lady! 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 It wasn't me! Jesus! Oh my god. And you, nothing out of that. Oh, it's so annoying. Alright, what's this? Okay, health kit, cool. $, $2. I'm rich, guys. I'm rich for the dollar store. Money, 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 money? Money? Anything? Nope. Oh, whoa. Whoa, did you guys see that? That was weird. Alright, continuing forward.
Spot a splicer in the water.
Yeah.
Hit him with the electrobolt.
Yeah, I know. Zap. Oh my god. Oh, I just wasted 2 shots. What the hell? Oh my god. I'm supposed to show how I played this game before and I'm skilled, and I'm only showing how much I suck. Oh, Jesus, terrible. Hey, look, what's up? What do you guys say? Oh, I just drank so much shit. I'm gonna stop doing that.
Another New Year's, another night alone. I'm out and you're stuck in Festus, working.
Ready?
Huh. Imagine right. But I guess I'll have another drink.
I guess you will.
Here's a toast to Diane McClintock.
Okay.
Silliest girl in Rapture.
Go away. Screw out.
Silly enough to fall in love with Andrew Ryan. Silly enough.
Whoa. Ooh, food. So that's... Oh. So that's a bad night.
What happened? I'm
Let's
bleeding.
just get going.
Oh God. What's happening?
Okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, $10, guys. $10 whole. Let's go. Jeez, I mean, like, they look absolutely horrible. Like, I mean, I wonder if I'm like really ugly looking because of all this chin
Careful
stuff.
now.
Oh.
Would you kindly lower that weapon for a minute? You think that's a child down there? Don't be fooled. She's a little sister now.
Hey.
Somebody went and turned a sweet baby girl into a monster.
Hello.
Whatever you thought about right and wrong on the surface, well, that don't count for much down in Rapture.
Oh, does it? Oh.
Those little sisters, they carry Adam.
Uh-huh.
The genetic material that keeps the wheels of Rapture turning.
Okay.
Everybody wants it. Everybody needs it.
Alright. Yeah, so... But I'm not going to do what you want me to do. And I'm not going to ruin it for you guys who haven't played it by now. But, let's just say there's 2 choices with those little sisters. But we'll get to that when it comes to it. Alright. Oh, there we go. That's so gross. She drank his blood and it filters through her body or something like that. Ah. Most normal girls would be knocked out from that. That's so fucked up. Yeah, you're not, dude. You're screwed. Dude. Just like run out the door. What do you? He could have ran out. Did you guys see that? He could have ran out. But he hesitated or something. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Hello. Hey. Be my friend.
She got it on him.
Hey. Oh god. Search you. Thank you. Alright, who knew that? Whack. Oh, there goes shiny thing. Damn, that Big Daddy runs fast. Alright, what we got? Pistols, dough. Any more dough? Make some bread. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's move forward a little bit. Sorry guys, I gotta check my clock. Shouldn't do that. Alright, oh, hello. No, go away. Hello. Get back, woman! Ah! Damn. And they say, and some people would honestly try to say women can't fight. That girl almost killed me. I mean, sure, she's spliced up, but still. Just goes to show you, don't mess with a woman who knows how to fight. MMA fighters, for one thing. Oh. Hey, what's up? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh! Screw you! God, they're just wasting my things. Oh yeah, it's our favorite picture. Okay. Knock. I got a present. Anyone say fried splicer? I swear I've said that before. I don't remember. Anyway, what do you got? What do you have? What do you got? Oh, there we go. I like that. Alright. Alright, yay. Yeah. Y is jump. God, that always throws me off, because every other game it's A. Alright. Okay. Whoa.
Security alert in
Hey! Whoa, oh, ow, 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 ow. Assholes. I know, I have a pistol. Guys, shut up. Oh my god. Okay. Is the bathroom safe? Why would I even save the bathroom safe? Nowhere is safe in this place. Is that it? Anyone else? What's in here? A sink. I can wash my hands. That's it. What am I gonna take a bath in it too? I mean, oh look, it's a unisex bathroom. Wonderful. Oh my god. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, these are just wasting it. Okay.
It's Ryan. Goddamn Andrew Ryan.
Hey.
Found him. Damn it. They shut off access to Neptune. There's another way to get there. Head to medical.
They're just
What are you
wasting
waiting
it.
for? Go!
What do you think what I'm waiting for? I got this crazy girl just freaking attacking me. I need to check the bodies very quick. Okay. Okay, pistols. Yay. Yeah, you got. What the hell? Oh, thank you. They're dead. Or they're all dead. I'm a better individual for it. Alright, don't judge me. Okay. And that's blocked again. I gotta go shut something off, I'm assuming. I wasn't really paying attention to what he says. I'm just gonna kind of go by ear on this one. Why is jump? Why? It's so weird. Why is it so? Okay. Anyway. Oh.
Oh, Christ! You're trapped! Gonna try to override the exit from here!
Oh, hello. It's Ryan
So
TV.
tell me, friend, which one of the bitches sent to you? The KGB wolf or the CIA jackal? Here's the
FBI.
news. Rapture isn't some
Give me your money.
sunken ship
I've got a
for you
wrench.
to plunder. And
Don't mess with
Animal Ryan isn't a giddy socialite who could be slapped around.
What are you talking about?
Government must.
I heard you're a player on the floor. So said that last video. Or that last clip, I'm sorry. Hey guys, guys. Yeah, I can bang too, look at this, come on! Oh, shit. Let's go. Okay, I'm going, jeez. I'm going. Oh, yeah, do that guy. Oh, that was interesting. Just love loading screens. Yes, back in the day, there was such things as loading screens, ladies and gentlemen, if you're under the age of 10. Now, you guys might have your micro loading screens, but they're nothing compared to these ones. But I kind of like that look they had. All right, let's get going. Just a little bit more. Let's see what we got.
Now you've met Andrew Ryan, the bloody king of
I
Rapture.
miss you.
Now find your way to
Wow.
emergency access.
God damn, I get tired of him talking sometimes. And we just started. Oh, look, hey, free stuff. Oh.
So great. I'm dizzy, I'm nauseous, and sometimes I'm even thinking.
Ooh, it's hacky. Cool. Oh, joy, the favorite part of everyone's game. Game. Puzzles. So la la la. La la la. La la la. I don't even know what I'm doing. La 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 la. There we go. Easy. Simple. Hello, robot friend. Whoa! You're gonna cut my head off. Whoa. Alright, well, you opened the door-ish, so let's see what's going on. Can I hack that guy? No.
Keep away from my patients!
Away. I'm just gonna let them do the rest. Ooh, is this like Resident Evil? Alright, let's see what that guy is saying.
Ryan and Adam. Adam and Ryan. All those years of study, and was I ever truly a surgeon before I met them? How we clicked away with our scalpels.
Yeah, no, bullets. I'm sorry guys, I just want to hear this very quick.
We could lop a boil here and shave down a beak there, but could we really change anything? No. But Adam gives us the means to do it. And Ryan frees us from the phony ethics that held us back. Change your look, change your sex, change your race. It's yours to change. Nobody else's.
Alright. I'm kind of happy who I am. I am a little husky, but whatever.
Security alert is in progress.
Why is it
Access
denied?
limited for the time.
What did I do? I totally forgot this part. Oh, crap.
If you want to use the emergency access, you'll be needing Dr. Stoyman's key. He's the one that runs this place.
Okay.
But I don't expect him to hand it to you out of the milk of human kindness. Stoyman ain't that kind. And frankly, I'm not even sure he's still human.
You're not sure. Ooh. Oh! Oh! I'm trusting my wrench more right now. Holy crap, I can't kill anything for shit right now. Alright. There you go. Lights on, doors open, people coming. Okay. Okay. Hey, hey, wait, what am I doing? I got a Tommy gun. Let's do this. Get out of here! Yeah! That's what I say to your crap. These guys can just shoot me down. Just heal up. Oh, hello. Who's shooting me? Oh! Who killed me? Who killed me? Oh my god, I'm a freaking klutz at this. Anyway, guys, don't worry. We'll get back to where we were next time in the next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, rate, subscribe. You guys have a good day. Peace, guys.